We, the jury, having found the defendant, Michael Gargiulo, guilty of first-degree murder in count 4, and having found the special circumstances true, fix the penalty at death.
Well, a jury here in California just decided the Hollywood Ripper should be sentenced to death. He murdered several women, including Ashley Ellerin, who dated Ashton Kutcher. He took the stand in the trial. Joining me now, criminal defense attorney Allison Treasel. So, Allison, the jury recommended death. What happens now?
So there will be a sentencing at the end of February, and it is presumed that this judge, who I know, Mario, and is a tough cookie, will sentence him to death.
Will he be executed, or do you think he spends the rest of his life in jail?
Well, here's an interesting thing, and the judge actually had to warn the jury about this. The governor, Gavin Newsom, has a death penalty moratorium. So he said, during my watch, there will be no executions during my watch. And
really?
In fact, in California, there hasn't been an execution in 13 years. So he will sit, if the judge sentences him to death, he will sit on death row like a condemned inmate, but he will not be put to death under Gavin Newsom's watch.
And under appeals, you can appeal this and you can essentially drag, it could be years.
Years, but he will be a condemned prisoner on death row for the rest of his life, is sentenced to death.
Wow, wow. I want to talk about Jodi Arias.
Yes.
Now, because she's sentenced to life for killing her boyfriend, but she wants her conviction thrown out.
Yes, she does.
Why?
And they filed a pretty strong appeal, I have to say. You know, this was a case that got 7 million people watched her verdict being read. Incredible. But what she's saying is, you know, my conduct was bad, but Juan Martinez, the prosecutor,
right.
Outrageous.
Well, what was he accused of doing?
Prosecutorial misconduct. What did he do during trial? Well, the first thing he did was he signed autographs. He was very media friendly. And then he accused all of her experts of being too close, too friendly with her and writing biased reports. And he also had very objectionable questions throughout the whole trial.
Is a media circus, though, enough to throw a conviction out, or are they just trying to what sticks?
Here's the thing. The standard is, was there overwhelming evidence of her guilt? And I'm going to tell you, I watched that trial. I believe there was. So I think that the judges will find, the appellate court will find that he actually did commit prosecutorial misconduct. Not enough to give Miss Arias a new trial. That's what I think.
So your best guess, quickly, her conviction will not be overturned?
I think he'll be sanctioned, and I think the judges will use very hard wording to say to other prosecutors, don't do this, but ultimately, they will not overturn this verdict.
Thank you very much,
Yeah.
Allison.